What's crack-lacking YouTube? Back here with another What Sold video. I love doing these videos, and 2021 has been a crazy year already. Not only with politics, but with some of these sales. Some of the sales I've had on eBay, insane. Like, it's a Thursday right now, and I have 11 items going out for a total of like 570 bucks. Man, we really got 2021 started off right with some great thrift store finds already this year. A 3D emblem, a center swoosh Nike hoodie, and now some insane sales. Like, some of these prices I don't even really believe. So sit back and relax. This is what I sold yesterday and today. It's a Thursday right now, man. I never have sales like this on a Thursday. But first, I got some mail in from Canada. Also, it's been a day, ladies and gentlemen. I had a student today I had to send to the office because he called me a stupid head, I'll just say, for YouTube. All because I wanted him to redo an assignment. He freaked out. You can't do that. Send him to the office. Had to call the principal. All right, I think I spent 100 bucks on these two items. This is an old little Pink Floyd, Dark Side of the Moon. Do you guys like Pink Floyd? I can't decide if I like them or not. This looks like it's gonna be way too big for me, so that's upsetting. But this is the little grailer piece I've been hunting down for a while, and I finally got it from a buddy for a good price. And this is not gonna fit me either. This is too small, buddy. Dang, yeah, this is not gonna fit, dude. But as most of you know, I have quite the extensive Budweiser t-shirt collection, and I needed this one. I like the Rolling Stones, and this graphic on the back is just magnificent and flamboyant and wonderful, and I really wanted it, and it's not gonna fit. Anyway, let's get into the sales. That's what you're here for. First item going out the door are these vintage moon boots. I got these from the bins not too long ago. If you've been watching my videos, you might recognize these just from about a month ago, a Goodwill Bins haul video. These are going out for $35.69. So as always, I will show you guys what the buyer paid all in, and you just have to keep in mind that's what the buyer paid, but I have seller fees and a shipping cost and a buy cost on the item. So just remember that as I show you this next item. I cannot believe this sold for 150 bucks. Who's buying this for 150 bucks? All right, I almost just caused an avalanche, but this combo player, 150 bucks, $149.85. This has been listed for less than a week. I actually listed two of these up last Saturday, and both of them sold. I'm about to go pull the other one too. But who is buying this for 150 bucks? You know what I could do with 150 bucks? Not buy this. And I guess while we're on that kick, I'll just show you the next one. This one, the other one sold for $97.03. And this is coming with a remote. The other one is not. I've never sold a VCR player until these two. So, and they both sold for good money pretty quickly. I was shocked. I've always heard of other like YouTubers or other resellers saying to pick these up, and then I did, and now I will, always. All right, coming up next at a wild $20.33, we have this flame hat. I picked up three of these, all three different colorways, but these are blanks. These are so cool. I was like, Bob Dabra merch, should I do it? Would be cool, I think. But yeah, $20.33. I got one of them going out the door. I have two left. Then we got another hat. This is my last Volcom hats. I paid $1 a piece for these. I had 5 of them, and this is the last one. Sold for $12.93. And a lot of people ask me why I have so many like weird cents added onto my sales. It's just because of the sales tax and the eBay fees, or sometimes I'm running a sale. So yeah, it's never just like 12 bucks. It's always $12.93. I'll take every penny I can. I honestly try to keep track of every penny in my little reselling business. The next item is something I picked up when my thrift store was doing that 25-cent sale, so this is a pretty good return. It's a Christian Dior sweater, so nothing too fancy about this. Christian Dior definitely doesn't sell for what it once did, but it's nice to see this going out the door for $23.06. The next item is a vintage Adidas windbreaker jacket. This sold for $24.15. Look at that. Now this isn't like any other windbreaker. This is like a, gosh, I don't even know how to describe this material. Like a latex almost. But yeah, that's it. Nothing too crazy right there. There you go. The next sale is something I got from the Amazon return store. I'm itching to go back to that Amazon return store and to the bins that is right next to it. Gosh, I need to make that road trip, get over there again, because I've made some buku bucks off of that place. But this is going out for $75.66, and it's right here. It's a Tom Petty record set. So it's a total of 4 records, which made it more valuable. And I paid $10 for this, and I sold it for $75. And it's going media mail, so I'll be making a nice chunk of change off of these records as well. Okay, and just a measly 3 items left. This next one is a youth Nike coat. Here it is, nothing crazy. This is just the fleece side. The reversible side, because you can wear it both ways, is like a gray puffer jacket type of looking thing. But this is a youth size, unfortunately, and I still got $33.69 for it. And then something I pulled from the bins. Gosh, I need to go back. This is a Champion reverse weave sweater. There it is. If you guys know me, you know I love selling those sweaters. Sweater weather is still here, and sweaters are still selling like hotcakes. So this one is going out for $38.03. Like what? That's stimmy. It's the stimulus check. That's what it is. Got people spending money like crazy. And then the last item sold for $70.04. A Packer puffer jacket. And this actually sold on Depop. This is really cool. I don't know why this took so long to sell. I picked this up at a garage sale in the summer. And hey, it's out of here now for some pretty good money. So I can't believe some of these profits. If you guys aren't selling on eBay, you're missing money. I think reselling it's the best hobby a person could have. You get to go on a treasure hunt, and you get to make money, and then you get to connect with really cool people as well. So with that being said, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next one.